Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and enjoying the good state of health. Stay at home and stay blessed. Our lesson is related to part D from page number 53, Grammar Today book. Underline the adjectives in this passage. Replace them with adjectives on your own or adjectives from the list and rewrite the passage. This is a paragraph passage. A sparkling fountain stood in the middle of a small square. You could hear the splash of the falling water, especially when the streets were empty and all was quiet. Suddenly, there was a loud rumble, and a yellow watering cart appeared from round the corner. The sprinkles washed the road shiny and clean, and the pedestrians walked along happily without being worried about getting their shoes dusty. Dear students, I underlined the adjectives word sparkling, middle, small, falling, empty, quiet, loud, yellow, shiny, clean, and dusty. These sentences I replace the adjective with our own words or from the list. End of the page, replace adjectives are given for replacing. A elegant fountain, sparkling replaced by elegant. Fountain stood in the center of middle replaced to the center of a teeny small replaced into a teeny square. You could hear the splash of the dropping water, especially when the streets were deserted and all was silent. Suddenly there was a noisy rumble, and a red watering cart appeared from round the corner. The sprinklers washed the road sparkling and clear, and the pedestrians walked along happily without being worried about getting their shoes muddy. Dear student, write these paragraphs by replacing the adjectives from the list and by all your words. This is your homework task. You can write on your books, page number 53, and learn by heart adjective definition and replacing adjective words. Wassalam.